Welcome back to the another episode of Carbon Custom. So today we unbox this Maruti Suzuki Swift. Okay, let's start with unboxing of this packaging. So you can see there is a Centy Toys branding with Swift logo, and there is a neon color cars with drip badging, and you can see the details of this alloy is very good. In 2021, when Swift is launched in Centy Toys, their alloys comes with this type. It's a steel type alloys. Then we can see in rear, so there is a four color option. Which one is red, blue, white, yellow, and this is a special edition of this Swift car. That's why it's a little bit costly compared to this Swift. Now we can unbox this box and talking about details of this car. You can see this is a neon drift edition. This is a 1/32 scale model car, and it comes in Centy Toys brand. You can see the detailing of these alloys. This is in silver color with disc detailing, front and back both. Now inside you view this aerodynamic line in this car, and one features is this car doors is openable, and you can check out the interior. The interior is also so detailed, front and rear also. Now in front you can see the headlight is also details, and diffuser are also details. You can see the number plates and grille. This is a honeychrome mass grill, and this Swift comes with a Japanese body kit, which is a sports Swift. Now you can check the roof. The roof is piano black, the neon and black with combination, and you can see there is a rubber antenna over here. Now going on back, in back also there is a tail light with white DRLs. This is the dummy DRL, but for details it's show full. You can see in bumper there is a air vents for aerodynamics, and with black combination diffusers and exhaust tips. There is a drift logo, and this is not a licensed product. That's why you can not show any Maruti logo on this car, but car is fully detailed with original Swift with Japanese Swift. And you can see there is number plate which is a 8055 Minpos, and in the rear there is a windshield and also wiper details over here. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe the channel for this type of content in my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.